This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320GR is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 7, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, water heater, microwave, smoke detector, Colorado detector, TV, external shower, oven, LP detector, and 110 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320GR is 12,400 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.